Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is December 9th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market today, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by a point and a quarter. Right now, they're sitting at 2,249 per contract. All in all, you can see the futures really just putting in more of a sideways base overnight, and we're a little bit higher, but we'll see what today brings. We've had a big rally this week, so there is a chance for some consolidation or a little bit of pausing. We'll see if that is the case, but either way, we have lots of stocks in the news to focus on. The first one we're going to take a look at today is going to be Broadcom, better known or formerly known as AVGO. And what you're going to see here is the stock is gapping up nicely, closed at $170.70, now trading at 181 or 181.30. This is a big pop. This is a new high for the stock as well. So this should give a lift to a lot of the semiconductors. Keep the semiconductors on the radar. If you take a look at the SMH, which is semiconductor holders, this could get a little bit of a bid off of that AVGO news. So keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at FNSR. I'm not sure of the news here. I think it's earnings. Stock closed at $34.13. Now trading at $36.77. So this is a pretty good little uptick as well. Again, I think this is on limited legs here. So again, don't look for too much more upside here. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, do not chase this one up here at these levels. This stock probably stalls out somewhere pretty close from where it's trading right now. No play on it yet, but we will look at it once the opening bell rings. Next on the radar is going to be Restoration Hardware. This stock is just absolutely slaughtered overnight. After earnings yesterday, it closed down sharply. You can see that big thrust, and now the stock is trading at around $32 a share. To be honest, I would not really want to get involved in this name until you get down to around $29. $29, there could be a level there, but don't do anything until that point in time. I do think this is going to go lower. Let's take a look here at Wynn Resorts. Yesterday, all of the casino stocks were hit hard on potentially a report saying that ATM withdrawals are going to be limited. I thought that was the dumbest thing I've ever heard, and it was. Looks like the authority or the Port Authority over there in Macau said they're recanting that statement, saying that is not the case. You can still take out 10,000 yuan a day. Again, you're going to see you see already a pretty big rebound in Wynn. Wynn closed at $90.72, now trading at 96. Las Vegas Sands is another one that was affected. This stock closed at 54.67, now trading at 57.67. MPEL, or Melcro as it's known, this is trading at $18, closed at $16.87. MGM is another one. This is trading at $29.45, closed at $28.65. So all the casino names are bouncing back a little bit. We'll see what else comes out later. We are expecting another statement out of Macau, so stay tuned. You never know what they're going to say, and we'll see how it reacts. Let's take a look at Biogen. Looks like they got a Canadian approval for, I believe, a multiple sclerosis drug. Either way, stock is trading at $302.50, closed at $289. So this is a good little pop-up. Again, I'm not really seeing anything great trading-wise here for this one just yet, but we will keep an eye on it. There is a takeover here. It looks like SWC is a ticker symbol. Stillwater Mining is getting bought out. I think it's by Sibane for about $2.2 billion. So if you own Stillwater, trail your stop loss. Great move. Congratulations. Nice little pop today. But this should just go sideways into the remainder of the trading session. Let's take a look at Cooper Companies. COO is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 165.50, closed at 167.80. So this is trading down a little bit after earnings. Not much we're going to do here, but if by some chance this got down to 154.50, I think you can scalp it there. So keep that on the radar today. This is on a little bit on the lighter volume side, so you got to be careful. It does come with higher risk. When I say lighter volume side, what I mean is that it doesn't trade 1 million shares a day on average. And stocks that don't average 1 million shares a day, you got to remember they can dip a little bit further than the most levels will tell you. Let's take a look at Duluth, DLTH. This right now is trading at around $31, closed at $37.04. I believe this is on the back of earnings. The only level I'm seeing here would be around $28. Again, this is another stock that's a little bit on the lighter volume side. See how it doesn't trade a million shares a day? On average, probably trades, somewhere 200, 300,000. But, when you see stocks like this and they come down, they can go lower. But there looks to be a lot of support at 28 right here. If it does come down there, I may give it a shot there. We'll talk about it and look at it in the intraday stock chat room. So if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. Had another good day yesterday. I'm going to look at keep the spirits rolling right into the end of the year. So again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see what it's all about. All right, let's turn it over now to the gold market. Gold is trading down $3.50. So if you take a look at the GLD this morning, which is a good gold ETF, you're going to see this is trading at 111.25. Closed at 111.57. We have crude oil this morning trading higher by 55 cents to $51.39 a barrel. So the USO, if you take a look at that, that's a good oil ETF trading up at $11.41 a share. And again, oil continues to hold up pretty well as it's just starting to work off its overbought condition. We'll see how it plays out by the end of the trading session. All right, with that being said, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish everybody a great trading session. Once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You can see our desktops, see everything that we are doing in there. And with that being said, we'll see you on the charts.